Hello class, this is Sterling Woodard, and these are the minerals of our lives. Just some of the things that will be featured in the presentation is batteries, laundry detergent, fish food, hammer, and pencil. First up on the list is laundry detergent, coming from sodium silicate. Sodium is pretty obvious. It is from the mineral group sodium, and silicate comes from silicone and oxygen. Probably makes it probably the texture of it, the useful which makes it, and the color, which makes it easier to identify when you need to wash something. Next up is fish food. Contains calcite, which comes from this the mineral sodium. I would say the hardness of this object makes it easier to get inside the container and grab it when you need to feed the fish. Hammer is next up. Contains aluminum, which comes from the mineral bauxite. Probably makes this useful is the hardness of it when something needs to get nailed in, and will make life very convenient. Batteries contain lead, which comes from the mineral galena. Probably the way it feels makes it very useful, and the electricity inside of it makes it easier to charge things, to power things around the house. Pencil is going to be the last thing. It contains carbon and lead, which comes from the mineral graphite. Graphite, and the lead being very useful, which makes it easier to write things down on paper. That's all I got for now, class. Thank you. You guys have a good night.